Taurus. Welcome back to your weekly regular reading. You're also paired with Scorpio on the same day, so if you do have Scorpio placements in your chart, make sure to go head over to the channel and check out the Scorpio readings, guys. I appreciate you from ahead of time. Just adjust that there, little microphone. And we're going to get right into it here. So today we're tapping in on some of the Taurus energy. So for my Taurus, Sun, Moon, and Rising signs out there, this is your tarot card reading. And as I said, paired with Scorpio, that is up on the channel same day as well. If you're looking for the schedule, maybe I'll drop it in the comments and stuff like that. But yeah, for regular readings, guys, make sure to subscribe, hit that notifications bell. And even if you don't, still appreciate you. Anyways, let's get into the message. We're going to be looking into some of the life situations here, provide some clarity. We're going to be looking at pulling a 7-card horseshoe spread for you here, Taurus, and that's going to see a little bit of energy from a little bit of every direction kind of, which is why we do horseshoe spreads here for our general readings. So just giving these decks a little handy dandy shuffle as we're coming and moving forward from the Scorpio reading here. Hope you guys are doing well. Also, let me know where you're tuning in from. I'd love to know where my peoples is tuning in from all over the world, on the east side, north side over here. And drop that in the comments. Let us know. We do see the tower, Taurus. We do see the tower at the bottom of the deck. What's going on? There's something that is going on. I'm hearing the calm before the storm, preparation. I'm hearing letting go of what you're used to. I think I'm hearing of evolution as well. Yeah. Other card behind it is the Six of Pentacles, a very harmonious card. I think this tower is happening for the betterment for you, Taurus. I think it's very abrupt. It may seem out of the blue, but it's for the better. I split the deck at the Six of Cups as well. There's a lot of harmony, Taurus. You're also ruled by Venus, and 6 is your number as well. Your number, numerology number, etc. Planetary number we associated with the planet Venus, and that number is associated with 6. And with you here, Taurus, it's very interesting that we're seeing that. And the first card coming out here that we have for you is the King of Pentacles. Some sort of position of authority in some way, shape, or form. With that first card coming out is very interesting. I'm also seeing the Queen of Cups. Scorpio had this Queen of Cups come out as well within their reading. Their Queen of Cups was in position 4. Yours is in your current energy. Theirs is in their obstacles to overcome. Yours is in your current energy. You may be a direct obstacle for a Scorpio to overcome. That is for some Tauruses out there, if that resonates for some of y'all that are in relationships. Anyways, moving on. Third card coming. We have the Strength. We have Leo energy. Could be direct. Leo energy could be very significant within your life right now as well. Fixated energies right now it seems like Scorpio and Leo, based upon the same energy from the Scorpio reading, and Leo energy coming right through. Could be some significant Leo energy that may be in your life, where you need to embody some of that Leo energy. Seeing the 5 as well. Scorpio got the 5 of Pentacles. Scorpio got the 5 of Cups. You got the 5 of Pentacles here. A little bit of different positions as well. Guys, this is happening based upon some form of... I think the Tower is very interesting because I think there's something that you do within your work environment that puts you in a position of authority, but it may not be what's emotionally fulfilling to you. Like, it may just be your job, you know what I'm saying? But that doesn't bring you the fulfilling thing. It just brings you the stability or like the finances. Your current energy, though, is this Queen of Cups. You're in this receiving energy. And you may be receiving maybe receiving forms of communication from a emotion, from a connection, from a love connection, or an opportunity that's in your life. But you're getting some clarity, you're getting some emotional clarity right now regarding that part of that area of your life specifically. Within your hidden influences, we do have the Strength card here. So with Leo showing up, you may have a Leo in your life that could be encouraging you to stand strong, move forward, to communicate, to have courage, to be strong, to stay steadfast within this relationship. There could also be a Leo who's convincing you to let this go or to not communicate. Whatever this is, be mindful of who's influencing you. Your thoughts, actions, etc. Especially your actions, because Leo is a fire card. So it's gonna emotionally trigger you to do something differently. So whoever's influencing you there, just be mindful and make sure it's in alignment to what you actually want, your desired reality or an outcome that resonates with you. And moving forward, we have the Seven of Pentacles. The Seven of Pentacles is a very interesting card. The Seven of Pentacles is like I like to call it the harvest card. But it's like the harvest when, maybe not the harvest. What's a better word for the Seven of Pentacles? It's like waiting for the harvest. The Seven of Pentacles, guys, there's a lot of things, maybe a lot of seeds you planted, a lot of understandings, or like there's a lot of things that you understand but haven't implemented, especially as a Taurus being practical earth. There's like you see how you can understand a lot and a lot of things can come to fruition by understanding, but you're not implementing these forms of understanding. So there's stuff waiting to be brought forth and brought to fruition, but it's not being incorporated. So that's something that's a challenge right now for you. There's like a lot of fruit on the tree that you guys bared from this thing, that you bared from this, but you're not implementing it. So therefore you're not seeing a harvest, you're not seeing progression, and that's a challenge for you. And I get it, as fixed earth, that stubborn nature is your nature. So you just gotta be right and be clear with what resonates with you, whether you are willing to change, whether you're willing to implement something, whether you're willing to compromise something, like what's going on here, right? And what do you need to implement? If this implementation is for the betterment of you and your progression, then it may be something to consider. If it's not, then okay, then stick within your stubbornness and do what works for you. But evaluate the situation first, number one. Within your position 5 here, I like this. We see this Ace of Cups. When I was shuffling our reading previously, I noticed that card come through, which is interesting. That was before I tapped into your reading, so the fact that I'm seeing it come out now, it's another confirmation. The Ace of Cups lets me know that emotionally you're going towards what fulfills you, and I kind of like this. I encourage it. I think other people can see that from you, and I think other people, this is very interesting. Others' perspectives, the Ace of Cups, I think you're finding your own ways to emotionally fulfill yourself. I think you're tapping into your own self-fulfillment. I think you may be learning from others' perspectives how to incorporate self-fulfillment and emotional fulfillment and to maintain your emotional states for yourself and your own well-being. I think that's something you could be learning from another person, or it's just something you're uncomfortably going through right now as well, and you're developing your own cup. You're cultivating your own cup right now. It's in the process. That way you can fill it up based upon what emotionally fulfills you and what doesn't. It's not getting drained by external factors and whatnot. So you're kind of figuring out how to develop your own maintenance system. So that's a very big thing to incorporate right now. It's a maintenance system. The next card I see come through is the Queen of Swords, and it lets me know that that's the best path for you to walk down. Be open to communication, and don't be shy to communicate. When someone communicates something to you, communicate something back. If someone is communicating something to you because they want clarity, that's something you're not communicating. I think you're someone who may be big on communication, but you don't understand how to emotionally communicate yourself, or how to logically understand or interpret your emotions. And it's causing some confliction here with your emotional connections and the potential that something has for you. Because the outcome is the Five of Pentacles, and it's showing me change towards understanding. And I like that. I think you can incorporate this change and this change is going to happen for the better, which is why I see the Tower. But like, look at this right here. I'm seeing practical change, like understanding and compromisation. I'm seeing family, seeing the mother, masculine, feminine, and the one that gets created. She's holding a little one with her. So you have to understand, family can be something that can be on your mind. Maybe you're changing, maybe your mind's changing, or your perspectives are changing based upon certain family-oriented natures. Whether you're a male or female, divine feminine or divine masculine. It's got to, whatever side you're in. So, however this plays out for you here, for my dudes, there's a lot that you're learning to do for yourself so that you can show up the way you need to show up. I think you're developing your own level of cultivation emotionally, like as I said. It's something new to you, it's something fresh, it's something that you're not used to understanding, and that's why we're seeing the Seven of Pentacles. And the harvest hasn't really came to fruition yet, because also this understanding is still cultivating. So be mindful of that, right? What it's bringing in is fostering in positive changes. I like this. And this is the calm that you're getting ready for. This is the preparation. After this is going to be the energy of the Tower, the change. And to be honest, it's here now because you're going to go through it. And as you go through it, I think you're going to feel this. Your structure being dismantled, because your mental forms of understanding is what's keeping you stubborn and stuck in this form of structure. But you're finally breaking these old ways of thinking, this old mindset, and you're building a new tower, building a new foundation upon it. That's why I'm seeing the Six of Pentacles, a foundation that has and offers more harmony, but that has to change first. Your forms of understanding, mindset has to change first. You got to let go of the old in order to have the new. Understand that, Taurus. I hope that brought you some clarity, guys. As always, Taurus, you know I'm watching from afar, and I'm always rooting for you. It's MC 333. Namo Himalaya. We out here.